Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you simple party makeup tutorial. I'm going to start by using the ColourX Advanced Nail Cream as my moisturizer. After that, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer in shade Creamy Beige as my eyeshadow base, and it's one of my favorite concealer for eyeshadow base. Blending the concealer with the blender. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Milani Most Loved Matte Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, I'm using the shade Fancy Vanilla and setting my eyelid. Taking the shade Toast of Down and blending it a little over my crease. Now to deepen, I'm using the shade Chocolate is Life and blending it below the previous shade. After that, I'm using the shade Hiking in Sedona and brushing it on my crease. You also have to blend it until there are no harsh lines left. For my shimmer, today I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals and put it on my lid. I'm using my hands and brush both to make it more blended. Also, makeup has no rules guys, so you can make anything work for you. Now using the Sephora eyeliner, I'm going to line my eyes. Curling my lashes, and for mascara, using the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. I'm lining my waterline using a pencil liner, and I had already applied lashes. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 220 and blending with a Real Technique blending sponge. This foundation is really good for dry skin. Using the same concealer as before, I'm gonna highlight my under eye. I'm using the Florelle loose powder to set my under eye. Now it's time to bronze up the face. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in shade number 35, and I will give a little definition to my face. I'm also using it on my forehead and jawline. Taking my favorite palette for blush, I will be using the shade Paros and blending it with the bronzer and apple of my cheek. For highlighter, I'm using the same Wet n Wild highlighter for highlighting my face. I'm also using it on my cupid's bow, bridge and tip of the nose. Now I'm using the Florelle liquid lipstick in shade number 10 and I will apply on my lips. At last, I will spray MAC Fix Plus all over my face and dab it with a blender. So this is my final look, guys. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.